How to change the aspect ratio on CapCut Mobile. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut. You have to make sure that the app is up to date. It will land you on this page. Tap on New Project. It will open up your gallery. From here, select any of the video or the photo that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this video. Click on it. Once the video has been uploaded here, at the bottom right corner, you'll get to see the option where it says Aspect Ratio. Click on it. This interface will pop up on your screen. In here, you'll get to see tons of different frame ratio. Well, the aspect ratio of the app is also available in here. Likewise, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. From here, you can choose any of the aspect ratio according to your need. All you want to do is click on it. Once you have selected one ratio, now you can adjust the video by zooming in or zooming out. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change the aspect ratio on CapCut in mobile. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.